The Rooster is a 2-channel, all-valve preamp with EQ and distortion controls. Its distortion section is inspired from the Culture Vulture and is designed for a wide range of applications and can produce a large range of tones, harmonic distortion, and subtle dynamic control. The preamp is available to all mic, line, or DI input signals. The double triode input valve, ECC81, provides a smooth-sounding gain stage after the balancing input transformer. The attitude section provides control over the amount of distortion inherently produced by the 5725 valve. This valve is also found in the Culture Vulture circuit. In this case, the distortion produced can be far more subtle, giving specs of 0.01% distortion when the switched attitude control is at position 1. The distortion increases drastically as the attitude control is progressively switched from position 1 to position max. Similarly to the Culture Vulture, the unit will tend to produce predominantly more second-order harmonics when in triode mode and third-order harmonics when in pentode mode. This provides a creative means of both tone and dynamic control over the input signal, as well as allowing the user to select how much and what kind of harmonics are present in the signal. The EQ section provides a simple yet powerful musical control over frequency content. The bass lift control gives a continuous control over the amount of bass using a unique vari-slope curve which peaks at 60 Hz. The mid-high lift control gives a bell-type curve with a variable gain peaking at either 2.5 kHz or 4 kHz, or a vari-slope curve peaking at 12 kHz, all selected by the frequency select switch. The mid-cut control provides a bell-type curve centered at 700 Hz with continuous control over the amount of cut. The bass cut switch control provides 5 positions with different cutting curves. The curves start off as high-pass filters which get progressively higher in frequency and then turn into a shelving type curve that will also increase in frequency as the switch is advanced. These controls are intended to interact with the other EQ controls for a very flexible control over the entire frequency range. The LPF or low pass filter switch control will allow the high frequencies to be cut at a frequency suitable to stop harsh sounding harmonics from standing out when excessive distortion is used, smoothing the resulting sound.